And before we wrap, Brian, we always like to share a little something we call the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got for us?
So I got a new laptop recently, and I was at home working, and I needed to do some things that I didn't have access to on that laptop. And so I remembered I have this app that I really love, and it allows me to log in to my main computer from any computer wherever I'm at. This is called Team Viewer. They have a free version. They have a commercial version that you pay for if you use it commercially. That's all I'll say about that. But they do have a free version that some people use. They do have a paid version that some people use. And it's really cool. It lets you log in to another computer from a different computer. It has some lag, so trying to edit a video or photos on it is painful. But if I needed to log into this computer and get access to a website or a login or a calendar, or my big thing is I like to utilize it to get files off of this computer if I don't have them on Dropbox. Lots of different things you can do, but Team Viewer is very neat. I love it.
Cool. The one that I'll share, if you've ever seen people post on Facebook, I know it works. Some parts of Instagram it works, and LinkedIn. If you've ever seen people put posts up where their text actually has like, it's either bolded or it's italicized, or it's even got like bubbles around it and just kind of unique fonts. If you've ever wondered how to do that, the site I use is called coolsymbol.com, and you just type your text into it, and then it'll show you dozens of different fonts that it can convert it into. You just hit the copy button, paste it into your social platform, and it can just help make your post stand out a little bit by adding something, right? As people are scrolling with a thumb, they see the same font over and over and over, and all of a sudden they see something that's bold or italics, or it can catch people's eye and get a little more attention on your post. So coolsymbol.com.
Don't do that with text messages. That's guaranteed. I'm getting spam text messages that use that. I'm like, what are you doing? It looks horrible. Anyway.
It's pretty obvious, yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, hopefully you got some value out of the show today. Again, I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.
See you guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.